Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a new team in your organization on Toggl Track or using the Toggl Track application. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to your account on Toggl Track, and then you will need to choose your workspace / organization first. To do that, left click into that menu on the top left. And from here, what you want to do is choose the given organization. What you want to do after that is click into Manage here for the given organization. And here on the left hand side, you will see this option, Teams. Click into it. Now inside your organization, you can create your first team by clicking into this button or that button in the top right to invite team members to work with you on your project. After that, enter the team name here. So I will name it, I don't know, Team 1, for example. And then you can assign members from your organization. Click into this button. I'm going to add myself as a member. And you can also click into all if you'd like to invite all organization members. And then you will see the selected member here. So what you want to do, guys, next is assign permission to access Toggl tools within your Toggl organization, like Toggl Track or Toggl Work and so on and so forth. And if you, for instance, select it here, you can, for example, assign a role like the team admin, the team member, or no role. And after that, click into this button at the bottom. Let me just select all of these apps. Click into Create Team here. And as you can see, your team has been created. So guys, you may navigate to this button here on the left hand side, Teams, and then see the list of teams you have created. You can expand it to see, for example, the team member list, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.